Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to securely reset Slack cache on your iPhone or Android device. If Slack starts acting slow, crashing, or not loading messages properly on your phone, the issue is often tied to cache data. Over time, Slack stores temporary files to improve performance, but this cache can become outdated or corrupted, leading to glitches. Resetting or cleaning the cache on your device is a quick and effective way to fix these problems and restore the smooth performance. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Slack app on your device, and then you have to hit your profile tab. After that, you have to choose the preferences option in the menu. Then you have to head over to the device and troubleshooting section and tap on debug and reset cache. After that, you have to tap on Reset Cache option. Now, make sure to confirm the action it prompted, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily clean up the cache of the Slack app on your device. Clearing Slack's cache is one of the easiest ways to resolve common app issues without affecting your messages or account data. So whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, a quick cache reset can significantly improve speed and fix the loading errors. If problems continue, consider updating or reinstalling the Slack app for more complete refresh. And that's about it. If I found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.